and Namaste. Today we will discuss about the envelope. What is the basic concept of the envelope and how can we find the envelope for the family of the curve. Before I start, I will say that every student will have the general idea about the coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, I think we have already learned that if we have the equation of the circle, then there is the condition of the tendency. Let's suppose we have the equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Circle which have the center is the origin 0, 0 and radius is the a. And if I achieve the condition of tendency which is the y is equal to mx plus a square root of 1 plus m square, then I see that m is the parameter here. Why m is the parameter? Okay, m will be not parameter for the one straight line, but if I vary the values of the m, then I will get the different equation of the straight line according to the corresponding values of the m. For the P1 point I will get the different straight line, for the P2 point I will get the different, for P3 different, for P4, P5 and so on, for the corresponding m1, m2, m3 and m4, m5 and mn. So finally I will get that the family of the curves or family of the straight line, because m can be varied, according to the point can be varies. So I can say that y is equal to mx plus a square root of 1 plus m square represent the family of the straight line. Okay, so envelope or the concept of envelope say that if there is a equation of the curve in which one parameter can be varied, and according to that parameter if we can achieve the more than the one equation of the curve, I can see that here if I put the different values of m, then I will get the family of the straight line. Okay, so in case of the circle I have achieved the family of the straight line. For the condition of the tendency, for the ellipse, hyperbola and different curve like the parabola, I will achieve same family of the curves. Envelope say that if there is the family of the curve such that fx, y, alpha equal to 0, where alpha is the parameter, if there is a family of the curve is there, and that family of the curve and neighborhood point, if there is a neighborhood point corresponding alpha plus del alpha, which is the second member of the family, if there is a family of the curve fx, y, alpha equal to 0, and second neighborhood point is alpha plus del alpha, and both curve intersect at general point P, then P point, which is the varying point, P can be varied according to alpha, that P point will tends to the definite point as del x tend to the 0. As del x tend to the 0, that P point which vary according to the parameter will tends to the definite point, then locus of that point will be called the envelope. I can again explain it. The C1 is the equation of the curve for family of the curve x, y, alpha, and corresponding neighborhood x, y, alpha plus del alpha is the C2, and both are intersecting at the general point P. Then P point which vary according to alpha will tends to the definite point as del x tends to the 0, then locus of that point will be called the envelope. Okay, so for the envelope we should have the family of the curves, family of the straight line. Okay, and according to that family we can achieve our envelope. So how we will see the envelope? What is the method to find the envelope? Here we will see that. Let's suppose we have the family of the curve fx, y, alpha equal to 0, where alpha is the parameter. Which means that single family of the curve can be extended to the different equations according to values of the alpha. And let's suppose we consider two members here, one for the alpha and one for the neighborhood alpha plus del alpha. So let's suppose we have the family of the curve fx, y, alpha equal to 0, and two member of families are alpha and alpha plus del alpha. So I can write the equation corresponding to the two families. So for the alpha it will equal to fx, y, alpha equal to 0, and for alpha plus del alpha fx, y, alpha plus del alpha. Now from the definition of the envelope, members will intersect at the general point P, and that P point will tend to the definite points as del x tends to the 0. So what will be the intersect of these two members? Intersection means I can write as both equation as f x comma y comma alpha equal to f x comma y comma alpha plus del alpha. Because both curve are intersecting, then I can compare these two curve. Now I can write f x comma y comma alpha plus del alpha minus f x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Okay. Now if I divide both sides by del alpha and I apply limit del alpha tends to 0. Why I am applying limit del alpha tends to 0? Because as del alpha tends to the 0, then what will happen? The point which is varying according to values of parameter will tends to the definite point. Now this is the right hand derivative in the differential equation. This for the right hand derivative. When I will solve this right hand derivative, then I will get the first differentiation or first derivative. So I can write del f x comma y comma alpha del alpha equal to 0. This is the differentiation of that family of the curve with respect to the parameter. This is the first step which we have to do to find the equation of the envelope. What we have to do? We have to differentiate the family of the curve given in the problem with respect to the parameter. Okay. After differentiation, what we have to do when we get the differentiation with respect to parameter? After that, we have to analyze this equation with respect to given equation. When we solve both equations, then we will get the envelope equation. First, we have to do the first derivative with respect to the alpha, and we will get the equation in the term of x and y with alpha. And after that, we have to solve that equation with given family of the curve, and we have to eliminate the parameter. This is the basic method to find the equation of the envelope. And here del alpha is tending to 0, because as del alpha tends to 0, then both equations will achieve the definite point P, which will not vary with respect to alpha, where alpha is the parameter. Okay, we can see here example also. So let's see the example here. So we will see the example so that we can better understand by the illustration. Let's suppose we have given y is equal to mx plus a by m, where m is the parameter. Let's suppose this is given the family of straight line, and we have to find the equation of the envelope, which means that what will be the corresponding curve of the equation for which this is the family of the straight line, for which according to varying values of the m, this will give the straight line for what curve? That curve, that locus we have to analyze. That curve, that locus we have to analyze. So how we can do that? For this, I have told earlier what we have to do. We have to do the differentiation of the given family of the straight line with respect to the parameter. So I will do the differentiation with respect to m. So y will have the 0 and m will have 1. So it will have the x, and this will have 0 is equal to x minus a upon m square. Okay, I can solve this equation, then I will get x is equal to a upon m square. So I will get m square is equal to x upon a, or I can say that m is equal to square root of x upon a with plus minus. So I get the value of m in the term of x, which I have to do. This is the first step. What is the first step? We have to differentiate with respect to the parameter. After differentiation, what we have to do? We have to solve this equation and given family of the straight line. So what I will do? Our aim is that we have to eliminate the parameter in order to find the equation of envelope, corresponding envelope. So I will put this value in the given family. So I will get y is equal to m plus minus square root of x upon a plus a upon plus minus square root of x upon a. When I will solve this equation, then I will get y square is equal to 4ax. What is this? This is the equation of the parabola. So, and what is this? This is the condition of the tangency. For different values of the slope, this straight line will give the different family of the straight line. And what is the corresponding envelope? Envelope is the parabola. This is the parabola. This is the parabola. There are different tangent lines. There are different tangent lines for the different points as per values of the m. So this is the basic method to find the envelope equation. What we have to do? We have to differentiate given family of the straight line or given family of the curve with respect to the parameter, and after doing this we have to solve given differentiation equation and given equation of the curve, and after eliminating the parameter we will get the corresponding equation of the envelope. So this is the method. Okay, after this I will say that what will happen if we have given the equation of the quadratic polynomial in the term of the parameter. Let's suppose we have given the equation of quadratic polynomial in the term of the parameter. So I can say that if we have given a alpha square plus b alpha plus c, let's suppose this is the family of the curve, then what will happen? I can say that f a comma b comma alpha. This is, let's suppose, the quadratic equation. Or I can say the family of the curve or family of the straight line in the term of the quadratic polynomial, in which quadratic equation in the term of the parameter, which is the alpha. Then what will happen? In that case, discriminant is delta, which is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, will represent the equation of envelope. I can prove that. To prove this statement, what we have to do? We have to again differentiate with respect to parameter and solve the equation of family of the curve and differentiation equation. So if I differentiate this with respect to the parameter, then what I will get? 2a alpha plus b is equal to 0. Then alpha will equal to minus b upon 2a. If I put alpha equal to minus b upon 2a in this equation, then I will get b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So if it is given in the problem a quadratic polynomial in which alpha is the parameter, then b square minus 4ac, which means the discriminant, will represent the equation of the envelope. Now this method will be fails when there is some singular points. Singular points means that if del f upon del x is equal to 0 or del f upon del y is equal to 0. If this happens, then there will be some singular points. In the case of the singular point, this method will be fails. Okay, we know that straight line and some conics do not have the singular points, but some other curves have the singular point, and this method is not applicable. Okay, so the basic of envelope is that what we have to do, we have to differentiate with respect to the parameter, and we have to solve that differentiation equation and the family of the curve, and we have to eliminate the parameter. Then we will get the equation of the envelope, which will be the corresponding equation for the corresponding family of the curve given in the problem. And in the case of the quadratic polynomial, in the term of the parameter, discriminant will represent the equation of the envelope. This is the basic of the envelope. For different type of the curve, for ellipse, hyperbola, we will have the different condition for the tangency, for the chords, for the normals. Okay, we will have the different families. For families, how we know that there is a family? If there is a parameter in the any equation, let's suppose slope can be parameter. Okay, any coordinate, any abscissa can be parameter. If there is a parameter, then we can say that that equation can be extended, and that equation can give the pairs. Okay, as we have seen in the y square equal to 4x, y is equal to mx plus a by m. This is the equation of condition of the tangency, but m is the parameter. according to values of m, there can be the different equation of straight line, there can be different tangent lines. So this is the family of the straight line. When we will eliminate m, then we will get the corresponding curve, corresponding envelope. Okay, so friends, today we have discussed the basic of the envelope, basic concept of the envelope. How can we find the equation of envelope corresponding to the family of the curve given in the problem. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So thank you friends.